Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to resize your images in Canva. Initially, open any project or simply create a new design. For now, I've already created a design and I have some pictures that I have already uploaded. Let's try to click and drag it. Now I want to resize this image. To do this, you simply have to click on the magic switch and the resize. You can resize it to your preferred dimensions. Simply click on custom size. You can resize it in pixels, inches, millimeters, centimeters. Or for different categories, simply click on them. You can also choose it like this. Simply select it and do hit continue. Do remember, this is a Canva Pro feature, and to do this you need to buy Canva Pro. Otherwise you cannot do this. Well, that's it for the video guys. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.